begun. On the morning, we've begun. I've sold many cells and I've told myself many things. But it is the life that we live. Oh, how's the days goes? The days goes good, the day goes fine. Tomorrow was there, so we're already here today. So it's been felt, it's been fought. It's been done, it's been rodent, it's been potent and important, and it's always been there with poison and toxins. It's toxicity, really it's toxicity.
I know you. Got nothing.
No COVID, no COVID, no kill me today. I don't want to go, so don't go over there and give me my uchi uchi. See me in front of a taco store talking about you positive. Lady, you need to tell that for that right there. You got COVID. We need to shut you down. But again, that's me, COVID-phobic. I'm COVID-phobic. I swear to God, I'm COVID-phobic. Get that shit away from me. You ever been COVID-phobic? It starts when you start to feel it, and then you in the box. Get your COVID shots now.
Yeah. Okay. Go.